Yeah, good morning, everyone. Happy Gudi Padwa to all in advance. Uh, what we are seeing is the US market and even the Asian market are seeing some strain, mainly on account of the action taken by the Fed, by the US president and imposing tax on auto, and also fear about reciprocal duty, which may be announced on 2nd April. So this uncertainty has created some fearness in the market, and the market are seeing some correction in today's trade. Also, commodities are also seeing some weakness. Aluminum is down by around 1%, copper by 0.5%, iron ore and steel are down by 0.5%, and oil is flat. So, these uncertainties till it lasts will have create a lot of volatility in the market, and today is one of such days. So, though this uncertainty is around the corner, but there are quite a few improving signs in the Indian economy which are visible. One of them is the liquidity into the banking system, which was one of the concerns for the Indian economy. That has shown sign of improvement with intervention of RBI and also government expenditure increasing and disbursement increasing in this process. So, wherein the negative bank liquidity was almost reached to around 3 lakh crores negative, which has now come down to 20,000. So it remained volatile, but now the trend is towards declining side. So RBI is taking care of the liquidity into the system. This is quite important from two perspectives. One, the rate cut which is happening will get translated once the liquidity situation is normal in the market, and also higher liquidity, negative higher liquidity doesn't allow lending much into the market. So this will help banking sector and also the overall economy. So this will act as positive uh, for the banking sector and overall economy as well. And I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during the day. Yesterday, we have seen that the Nifty somehow managed to take the very support of 23,400 levels, and on intraday basis, we saw a very flat trading sessions, but Nifty managed to give a closing about 23,600 levels, which is a relief sign. Going ahead on the Nifty front, the view will remain positive as long as Nifty sustains about 23,400 levels, which is acting as a crucial support levels from the last two trading sessions. For today intraday purpose, 23,500 is the immediate support level. Any move below that level will drag a Nifty towards 23,440 to 23,370 levels. Whereas on high side, 23,670 is the first resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. Any move above that level will see the extension of this positive momentum towards 23,750 to 23,800 levels on the high side. Coming towards the bank Nifty, 51,840 is the first resistance level. Any move above that level, we expect a momentum to be carried forward towards to 52,000 levels. Whereas on the lower side, 51,270 is the first support level. Beyond that levels, if it's break that level, then 51,000s can be tested on the lower side as of now. The view on both the indices is being remains positive because currently it's trading in the formations of the high top side bottom formations. The Nifty has a very strong support, as I said, 23,400 levels up to that levels. It's trading about that level. The view will remain positive on the Nifty front. Stock specific, United Spirits really looks good on the technical front. The weekly chart suggests that the counter has given the downward sloping breakdown, which is a very positive indication on the technical front. We are looking for a target of 1440 levels on the higher sides. Yesterday, we already have initiated a buy call at 1390. Those who are having a buying position, they can hold on for a target of 1440 with a stop loss of 1365. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a portfolio.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So, on the derivatives front, as we witnessed that in yesterday's session, market strength was almost on the supportive base from where we have witnessed some sort of buying momentum. As I said yesterday, also that the overall OI position on the Nifty stands to be in the range of 23,500 to 200 to 23,000 mark, and on the upside at 23,800 to 24,000 levels. So currently this range is intact and Nifty is likely to trade in this range only for next 3 to 4 days of a trading session between 23,200 to 23,800 level. Once Nifty manages to get clearance about 24,000 mark, then we will see major liquidation from the call writer front, and again buying will be initiated for the strength to be on the positive front. Currently there is not much of a negative strength in the market. If any dips come, there is a buy and dips strategy in the market currently which you are witnessing. While PCROI yesterday closed at 1.01 level, PCROI still we are seeing is trading at a good level, and we might witness as a put writer portions is higher than the call writer portion, due to which the strength will be higher in the market as compared to the put writer portion. So if we look at the overall rollover position also, we are seeing that the rollover position was lower from its 3 month and 6 month average, and the average OI position of the Nifty is also trading on the lower end, due to which we will witness some shorts to get liquidated on the system while going ahead in next 1 to 2 weeks of a trading session as per the rollover scenario. So we expect buying trend to be witnessed and new long position can be created at this point of time with the support of 23,500 to 200 level on the downside. As per the stock specific and sectoral specific front, Ambuja Cement, Federal Bank, and Oil India looks positive, while on the negative front, Dr. Reddy, Tata Elxsi, and Celtech look negative. That's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we had a virtual meet with the management of IOL Chemicals and Pharma Limited. The management has touched upon its three key products, that is ibuprofen, paracetamol, and metformin. With respect to ibuprofen, the management highlighted that it has only 1% of export to US. This will have limited impact on the company's business considering the expected tariffs. However, US, Japan, and Latin America will be continue to be a focus area for exports. In terms of pricing, the prices are already bottomed out and currently stable, and it is hoping to move it upwards in the near term. With respect to paracetamol, it has commissioned 10,800 metric tons capacity, where it expects 30 to 45% utilization in FY26 and 70 to 75% in FY27. The company aims to shift its existing capacity at Unit 4, that is metformin, to this new facility. Hence, metformin capacity to increase by around 4,000 metric tons per annum, which will come back to the earlier level. That is, total capacity would be 11,200 metric tons. The management has guided for rupees 300 crore of revenue at full potential for both paracetamol and metformin. The stock is currently trading at around 19 times PE to TTM EPS, and we are positive on the company with expected price increase in ibuprofen. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, yesterday Ultratech has announced multiple plant commissioning before the end of the year, wherein they had commissioned a 3.35 million ton plant of at Madhya Pradesh, with one grinding capacity of 2.7, and another grinding capacity will be commissioned in Q1 FY26. Then they had also commissioned one grinding capacity in Maharashtra of 1.2 million ton and another grinding capacity of 0.6 million ton in Durgapur, West Bengal. So overall, the capacity has increased to 183.36 million ton in India. From capacity has increased from 183.36 to 188.76 million ton with these commissioning of the capacities. Force Motor has received order from the defense for supply of Gorkha light vehicle of 2978 vehicles over a period of next 3 years. So this will act as positive for Force Motor. Anyhow, they are in process of executing a large order of UP government for supplying ambulance in last month, and also that will continue in the March month. So the March figure expected to be better, and Q3 results of Force Motor because of these supply will also act quite positively. That's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed gold and silver pricing rising, and gold might continue the same. Gold prices are expected to open gap up, and one can initiate a buy on dips around eight the June contract 89 900 89 800 with a stop loss of 89 500. On upside again 90,200 500 is the level where we are expecting some profit taking. Silver also, one can initiate a buy if prices are sustaining above 1 lakh 1,000 and maintain a stop loss of 1 lakh. So as long as it is holding on 1 lakh, we expect prices to stay positive and test 1 lakh 2,000 to 2,500 on upside. Though metals are weak, so silver might not perform as well as gold, but as long as it is holding 1 lakh, we expect some positive momentum to continue. In metals, copper, we are expecting prices to test 893, 890 levels on downside. So any pullback, sell around 901 with a stop loss of 906. And zinc prices are expected to test 270 to 68 on downside. So selling around 273 with a stop loss of 275 is recommended. Crude prices are looking good, though prices are consolidating and taking lower support. One can initiate a buy around 6,000 with a stop loss of 59.30. On upside again, 6,100 is the level where we are eyeing for. Yesterday, natural gas recovered from the lows and uh, closed about the 335 support. So buying on dips around 332, 330 with a stop loss of 320 is recommended. On upside again, 345, 350 is the level where one should take profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.